Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Redmi 10 and let me share with you how to change the ringtone on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings and now let's scroll down a little bit and find sound and vibration. And as you can see here, we've got a whole ringtone section. We can change the ringtone for notifications and it is, let's say, the biggest and the most highlighted option, but also for the phone calls and the alarms. So it doesn't really matter which one I will pick, it will work the same with all of them. So let me pick, for example, the ringtone in particular. So as you can see here, we've got actually 4 different options from which we can choose. So here we've got some highlighted options from more, so you can tap on it and listen how it sounds. Of course, let me volume it down a little bit. So if you like the one from those 3, you can just tap on it, mark it and get back. If not, simply tap on more, and as you can see, you will enter the full list of all defaultly installed ringtones and notifications from which we can choose. What's more, you can pick the option do not set ringtone, so your device won't notify you about any incoming call. What's more, you can choose local ringtone or online ringtone. So for example, after tapping on local ringtone, your device will transfer you to, for example, file manager, from which you will be able to pick the ringtone you've downloaded or something, or record it. But let me get back, and if you would like to listen how the particular ringtone sounds, simply tap on it and you will be also of course able to hear it. So if you're happy with your choice, just make sure that the option you'd like to use is marked, just like in my case fantasy, and simply go back. As you can see, it is notified right here, and after getting back you can see it right here, so it means that it has been immediately applied and your device will use it in order to notify you about incoming call. So well, actually this is it. This is how to change the ringtone in your Redmi 10. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.